Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our channel Learn for Fun. I am Abbas and today I will show you how to fill an image inside the text. So let's start. Take a new layer, press Ctrl N. Hit OK. Then write anything. I am using Fognite font. Right click on the text layer, click blending option and check drop shadow and inner shadow and click OK. After that, take an image but above on the text layer. I'm choosing this. And then right click on the image layer and then click create clipping mask. After that, adjust your image. So it's ready. So guys, it's very easy. So guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this video. If there are any problem, comment below. And guys, don't forget subscribe our channel Learn for Fun. And thanks for watching guys.